Hello everyone. Today we learn 20 sentences about health. I am not feeling well.
I am not feeling well.
The doctor told me to rest for 2 days.
The doctor told me to rest for 2 days.
You should drink 8 glasses of water every day.
You should drink 8 glasses of water every day.
A morning walk is great for health.
A morning walk is great for health.
Avoid eating too much sugar.
Avoid eating too much sugar.
The brain gets tired without enough sleep.
The brain gets tired without enough sleep.
Vegetables and fruits keep us healthy.
Vegetables and fruits keep us healthy.
Regular exercise makes the heart strong.
Regular exercise makes the heart strong.
Visit the doctor when you feel sick.
Visit the doctor when you feel sick.
Smoking is harmful to health.
Smoking is harmful to health.
Washing hands keeps away diseases.
Washing hands keeps away diseases.
Drinking too many cold drinks can hurt your throat.
Drinking too many cold drinks can hurt your throat.
A balanced diet helps in losing weight.
A balanced diet helps in losing weight.
Mental peace is important for health.
Mental peace is important for health.
Sitting too long can cause back pain.
Sitting too long can cause back pain.
Drinking water should always be clean.
Drinking water should always be clean.
Fish is full of protein and vitamin D.
Fish is full of protein and vitamin D.
Sunlight is good for strong bones.
Sunlight is good for strong bones.
Wash your hands before and after meals.
Wash your hands before and after meals.
Brisk walking keeps the body fit.
Brisk walking keeps the body fit.